How to recover deleted messages in Telegram. Welcome back to Let Me Help, and let's get started with this tutorial. Starting off, you need to launch a Telegram application. Now if you press and hold onto a conversation and tap on delete at the bottom, you will find an undo option. This is for instant recovery. However, if you are not lucky enough to undo it, navigate to your files option in your phone. Then tap open your files. In here, head to your application. From here, you have to navigate to your Telegram app. In order to do so, we have to locate the cache app of Telegram. If we find out the cache folder of Telegram, we might find our deleted messages in this folder. And by through it, we will be able to recover those messages. If not, you can head back from here. Then again, you need to tap open your Telegram application. Now tap on the three-line icon, head to the settings option, select data and storage. Now in here, you have to select the option of private chat save to gallery. This is so we can at least save our photos or videos before we entirely delete our conversation. And that is all for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.